Hey, this is Rich with Cross Country Mortgage. I want to start this new thing. Every week, I want to do the market in 2 minutes. This is going to be on Fridays. Please look for these videos so you're going to see them coming out every week. I want to first talk about what's happening in the interest rate market. We're starting to see interest rates falling a bit. They may have topped out. We're not certain. We got some great news in July. These numbers just came out over the last couple of days. The consumer price index is down. The producer price index is down. What does that mean? Those are both indicators of inflation. Also, with gas prices going down, that's really helping that out. With the decrease in inflation, it looks like we are getting closer to the top of the rate market. The Fed has already said they're probably going to be increasing interest rates again. We're likely going to see that at the next Fed meeting. And that's fine because the Fed rate and mortgage rates don't really play with each other so much. The last month when the Fed had their 0.75% interest rate hike, mortgage bonds rallied. That caused rates to come down. So we're looking really optimistic there. The second thing, consumer sentiment. What is this? Consumer sentiment is how many people think it's a great time to buy a house. Last year, when people were paying $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 above the list price for a home, or offering that and still not getting the house, we had consumer sentiment at over 80%. It's tanked. It's currently less than 20%. I think the last number was about 18.7%. What does that mean? That means most people are out of the home buying market. Why? They think that the interest rates right now in the 5s and 6s are way, way, way too high. I've got to tell you, from a historical perspective, these rates are phenomenal. I remember my folks telling me about having mortgages in 12, 13%, or even higher range. Now, we did get spoiled with the 2 and 3% mortgages of the last few years. We do think that rates are going to go down, but the time to buy is now. They say, marry the house and date the rate. Got to be careful how I say that. Date the rate. So what are we seeing out there? For appropriately priced homes, for well-priced homes, we're seeing some offers coming in. We're seeing the houses are taking a little bit more time to sell, 7 to 10 days for appropriately priced homes. We're also anticipating that the sale time for a home is probably going to get up to about 30 days or so for an appropriately priced home. We're also seeing a lot of price reductions. Those price reductions that we're seeing are generally people who still think it's July of 2021. There are 987 people knocking on the door because a sign just got put in a yard. That is not the situation. So right now, what you're able to do is you're able to go in, get a house for a more reasonable cost, and then get an interest rate that'll be a shorter term rate for you because, God willing, within the next year or so, we're going to be able to refinance you to a lower rate as the rates are going to fall as we're heading into a recession. If you got any questions about this or would like some more information, please give me a call, 281-841-1723. And I'm more than happy to help you. Also, you can go to www.richbond.com if you or anybody you know wants to get a mortgage. We look forward to helping you out. Have a great Friday.